Welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. My name's Kelly. If you're new, I hope you stick around. And if you're not new, hey, how you doing? Today is the Nate's Art Lab collab edition. Our challenge was to do a blowout using, I think, 5 colors. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I have PBO Iridescent Violet Blue, Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, Cloud Mix, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and for my background, my base color, I have some drips that are very dark blue. I think they probably have a lot of Prussian blue in them, but it's drips, so who knows. And I have a CA, I'm not sure whether I'm going to use it, but this is Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet. This is a 12 by 24 level 1 Artist Loft canvas. So let's just get down here and see what's going to happen. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get our base coat down. This is said base coat. It looks black on camera, but it's not. For our colors. The cloud. Iridescent Violet Blue. Alright, we're going to start with this little mini blower, but first I'm going to just put a little more blue. We're going to start down here at the bottom, so let's see what we get.
Time will ease your mind, working out the ways that you'll always be right. Light, can it wait? If we fell apart, would you want me to stay? Why do we always start to come back together right when we fall?
Put a little bit CA.
I don't care if you think it's too late, we still got time.
And we'll see what we get with that.
Why do we always start to come back together right when we fall. Fade on heavenly tangerine. Try now, won't you come back to me? And even if it ends, would you turn your back on me? Can we forget the past and start over? Fade out, heavenly tangerine. Fade out, heavenly tangerine. Try now, won't you come back to me? Fade out, heavenly tangerine. And if it breaks down, you'll still be right for me. If it breaks down, you'll still be right for me. I've been deep down, stuck in the gutter. I've been off the grid for days. I've been lost just trying to forget her. But I wake up and nothing's changed. I've been gone down, lost in the letters, trying to get back.
Okay. What do you think? I'm going to take this skewer here and just do a few little things.
Can't remember what I thought I wanted. Now it all has gone to waste. And this freedom just left me haunted. And all my reasons start to fade. Cause I thought it wasn't worth it. Yeah, I thought it was too late. I was so burned out trying to ease my mind like there was nothing left to save. I'll say it now. I can't sleep I'm trying to get away, but I can't.
I'm just going to hit a few places that kind of need a little help.
Pieces of my heart, I thought it would be for the better, but I'm starting to feel so drained. And the days are moving slower, so on the weekends I escape. And on the surface it seems perfect.
I think I'm done.
But I go too far in my house of cards. Every morning it's the same. I'll say it now.
All right, I'm going to clean this up and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here are the wet results of my Nate's Art Lab collab blowout. I would show you in the proper orientation, but it's just too awkward. I'll show you that in the dried results. So here are our flowers. I think they turned out especially well. Especially, not especially. I would have liked to keep a little more white in this one, but, you know, it's pretty. And then our stems come down and meld into one. I got some nice cells. I like that the gold mostly ended up on this one side. That's kind of cool. And yeah, I think this is really pretty. Very, very light. Very, I don't know what I want to call it. I want to say petite, but that isn't it. But anyway, I think it's pretty. I'm sorry you have to deal with my reflection, but you know, dark base coats will do that to you. So yeah, I think that turned out real pretty. Let's go look for some sparklies. Okay, sparkle hunting we will go and we will find them. Look at there. That's so pretty. dainty. Maybe that's what I was looking for. I don't know. Anyway, we got sparkles, we got clouds, we got cells, we got lacing, and I just really dig it. This little blowout was fun, unplanned, because I forgot that the art lab was this weekend. I thought it was next weekend. Oops, my bad. Anyway, there we go. Pretty sweet. I like it. So, yeah, I'll be back when it's dry. Here are the dried results of my Nate's Art Lab collab blowout piece. I really like this. Now, when it was wet and I hadn't done anything to it yet, I was not sure. I was not very fond of it. It looked too drab. So I got out my Ranger Distress Sprays and just went to town on it, and didn't film it, of course, but I think it looks really cool now. I think that the blowout worked well. This flower I kind of lost, but I kind of like it because it looks like it's bent back. I really am enjoying these distress sprays. They're so cool. I used, I don't know, 4 or 5 colors, and I don't know what they were. I was just sort of upstairs looking at it and thinking, this is just sad. I don't like it very much. So I put a bunch of spray on it, and I think it's really cool. What do you think? My blowout turned out nicely. I really like these colors together. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know. If you haven't joined Nate's Art Lab, give it a thought. We have a lot of fun. A lot of good conversation happens when I remember to go in and conversate. But hey, before you go, why don't you give me a subscribe and hit that like button, a little thumbs up. Give that subscribe bell a ring so you'll know when I'm making new content. And yeah, share with your friends if you can. And I will see you next time.